Aibowan. Aibowan, Mr. Sanka. Captain Sanka, how are you?
Andai. Oh yeah, cool.
Yes, doing really well. Actually, today, warm welcome to our breakfast buffet. Hilton Colombo Residences. So we are getting ready with our breakfast. So we are already open, but we are doing.
So what's this guy going to make for us?
He's a special Sri Lankan chef, Chef Manoj. You can see the other guy. He's in charge here. Chef Paddy. He's Chef Paddy. He's breakfast chef here. So this is hoppers, the Sri Lankan hoppers, one of traditional hoppers he's going to making. We have different kind of flavors here actually. We are making egg hoppers, plain hoppers, and milk hoppers, butter hoppers. Those hoppers we have, and sometimes we are making masala hoppers as well, according to the guest requirement. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. Basically, in this buffet you can find like different kind of Sri Lankan flavors.
So now he's wiping some oil for non-stick.
Of course, they are wiping some oiling and they put some flour based.
This is rice.
Yes, rice based flour.
Rice flour.
Yeah. So that is basically depending the chef the quality, because yesterday night we made this flour and we keep some times to get it good.
So you make the batter the night before so it can get ready for the next morning.
Yes, of course. Then and there we can't do this batter. So basically the chef is very specialized for Sri Lankan food. The batter also same like that. So anything for you?
Yeah, well, let's see what we got here.
Chef Patty is doing masala dosa.
Okay, so quick interlude here. Here's Chef Paddy doing
Masala
masala. Yes. And what do you call this one again? This big one? Dosa.
Yes. Dosa.
So what we're doing here?
Some condiments also there.
Yeah. So here, this is pole. I think.
Coconut sambal.
Pole sambal.
The pole sambal. Yes.
This one.
Onion sambal. We call
Onion
chili
sambal. Yes.
Chili sambal. Katta sambal. It's very spicy.
Spicy.
You should try this one as well.
And this one?
This is all coconut chutney.
Okay, so you can see on the dosa now, it started the basic cooking and now putting the toppings or the inside in there.
Yes.
So ready to do the fold it in half, or a third, and then another third, and then the final third. Oh, here we go. Yeah. See, he scores a little line there, so it folds nicely on the line. Perfect. So here these guys are busy getting their all their pole sambal and their spicy sambal and onion sambal. And here you can see this is the finished product of the egg hopper. Wow, look at that, beautiful.
This is
Enjoy.
coconut. This is a coconut.
So
This is onion chutney.
pole sambal?
This is not sambar.
No?
Coconut
sambal.
Coconut sambar.
Coconut, pole sambal. Pole.
Yes.
Now in Sri Lanka, pole, coconut.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so here it is, the live station. Here's the chef in charge. Here's the expert at the Chef Paddy. And here's was it Manoj? Was it?
Manoj?
It's Manoj.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Bahoma Stuti from Hilton in Colombo.